Hello. It's DMV Test Buddy again. Some situations on the road are very important to solve quickly, in the moment. To do this, you should bring some rules to automatism. The more you encounter these problems theoretically, the sooner you will be able to navigate in such a case practically. Let's try to check how quickly you can solve this problem. So, look carefully at the screen. Who should give way when changing lanes at the same time? A. Car. B. Motorcyclist. I give you 10 seconds to answer this question. So, let's figure it out. In order to quickly and correctly answer this question, you should correctly assess the situation in the picture. We see a car and a motorcycle moving in adjacent lanes, which simultaneously turned on the turn signal. This situation can baffle a novice, but it is very important to quickly get your bearings, otherwise you can lose time and the consequences can be unpleasant. Let's turn to the rule that says, when changing lanes at the same time, drivers are guided by the right-hand rule. The driver of the car is in the way. Thus, we see that the correct answer in this case is A. The car gives way. So, admit it, who of you answered quickly and correctly? Let's discuss the situation in the comments.